and investors, if you're looking at the Gurgaon market, this session is just for you. Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Project Talk, where PropTiger connects viewers to the industry and to their dream home. I'm Sneha Sharon, your host for the day, and we have representatives from the Anant Raj Group with us today. Mr. Vikas Sharma is GM Sales and Marketing at Anant Raj Limited. Welcome.
Hi, good evening, Sneha.
Mr. Tarun Mohan is AM Marketing at Anant Raj. Welcome.
Good evening, Sneha.
And from PropTiger, we have the city head for Gurgaon, Mr. Deepak Dureja. Welcome.
Hi, Sneha. Thank you. Hello to all the audience. Good evening.
And senior team leader, Mr. Ankit Khanna. Welcome.
Thank you, Sneha.
Warm welcome to all our panelists. Now, we've already received a lot of questions about this project that we are going to discuss today, and I look forward to an insightful discussion. But before we begin, I'd request Mr. Sharma and Mr. Dureja to go ahead with a brief introduction of the companies they're representing. Starting with you, Mr. Sharma.
Hi, good evening to all. My name is Vikas. I represent Anant Raj Limited here. So Anant Raj Limited is a 50 years old company, not a new name in the market. From past 50 years, we are being in this market. We have delivered more than 20 projects in Delhi NCR, delivered more than 20 million square feet, and all marquee projects: hospitality, IT parks, malls, residential, townships, retails. So it's a journey, and we are looking forward.
Thank you. Mr. Dureja.
Well, hi, my name is Deepak Dureja. I'm City Head, Developer Relations with PropTiger. And if I talk about PropTiger, PropTiger is an epitome, absolutely, of faith, of transparency. It was founded in 2011, and since then, it's almost been a decade in the market. And it didn't took much time, for PropTiger to become one of the most talked about name, one of the most performing name out in the market, backed by very strong investors like Real Estate Australia, New York Times. So this is one company, where a client can really bank upon. This is one company, where a developer can really bank upon. So absolutely, worth the name, worth investing upon, worth relying upon. And you can definitely look forward to have your dream home, your dream investment coming through PropTiger.
Thank you. Well, it's time to see a small video that talks about Anant Raj Maceo in a nutshell and the location potential. Thank you for that. I'm sure our viewers are waiting for more information on Anant Raj Maceo and what it offers. So we'll head straight to the questions now. How is the real estate market faring currently? What has been the repercussions due to COVID-19? Mr. Deepak, I'd like you to answer this.
Sneha, see, real estate market, if you talk about, lot of so-called experts, thought the real estate market might go down. It will be slump in queries. There'll be no, clients will be talking about real estate. Real estate will be a sideline business. But I'll tell you what, this has really come as a surprise package to those people, wherein, the queries have gone up drastically. The demand has come up. Certainly, it has come up. People are now have understood the importance. During this lockdown, when people have spent a lot of time in house, they have really understood the value of their own home. They have really understood the value of not staying in a rented property, because there have been cases, where, the tenants, did not had a pleasant experience, with their landlord. So they have really understood, okay, now today they are thinking, alas, we would have our own home. So looking at all these things, real estate, repercussions are there. Repercussions are like, people are not able to come out of their house to visit the site. Repercussions are people are not, able to, go to various sites, look at the choices and stuff. Now to give them ease of this, we as a Prop Tiger, have created such platforms like we're doing webinars. We are taking our clients, through digital routes. We are giving them presentations. We are doing VC with them, we are doing Zoom call with them or Hangouts with them. So that also we have sorted for them. So the repercussions also we have converted to the opportunity in the end of the day. And there are people who are very happy, they are closing the deals. They are they are able to book house for themselves. Some of them, during this lockdown only book the property. When the lockdown started, have got possession also, they have shifted into their house also. So this has also happened. So I would say, all in all, it has been a very, very, I won't say very delightful journey, but हाँ, ऐसा नहीं है कि, there are no, ऐसा नहीं है कि, it has been washed out, or, ऐसा नहीं है कि it has, the people are not talking about it. Rather, people have started talk about real estate now. They have got pressure coming in from their family, from their relatives, buy your house, move into a better house. Now people need a separate room, which so-called they call work from home room. So they are looking for a bigger house rather. So all these things have been fine. And I believe, look, going forward, as the situation normalizes, you can foresee, a huge demand coming in and huge conversions coming in.
Thank you. Ankit, help us understand which segment of property is most popular in the Gurgaon market.
Right. So currently, most demanded segment is, as per we talk about price, is around 1 CR. 1 CR segment is most demanded in the market. And as per the configuration, yes, 3-bedroom is the most demanded configuration because people are looking for their self-use with a longer vision. So yes, people are looking for the property with a value proposition kind of thing.
Deepak, adding on to the previous question that I had asked you, if we talk about the digital shift in property buying on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate the sector in Gurgaon and your company?
I think it is now between 9 and 10 now, because everything is online, everything is digital. There are no, there are no fresh calling as such, there are no fresh meetings, which are happening face to face with the client. Physical meetings are not happening. So it is 100% digital. So if I talk about 1 on 10, it is almost 10 now, because all companies, so we as a company, if I talk about, so we have a group company, housing.com, makan.com, proptiger.com. So we are the already .com, running, run companies. Wherein if I talk about even the small brokers, who were not very digitally active, even they have got into this sense of, getting into digital thing now. So I would say, it is 100% digital as of now. And this has taken a radical shift. So I believe we are running 5 years ahead than, what we should be running on right now.
Because we are talking about Masio, tell us the USPs of Masio. What makes it popular?
So Sneha, Masio is flagship property of Anantraj Limited. It's a low density residential development. So in fact, this area, New Gurgaon Sector 91, this area is also a low density area. And we have just 16 mid-rise towers in 16 acres with very thoughtfully designed open areas. Masio, I think, offers a resort lifestyle, a resort living with great waterscapes and landscape areas. Every apartment is either green facing or water facing. That's why we call it Masio waterfront. Very efficient layouts with large wraparound balconies and utility areas like study rooms. These days, study rooms and work corners are like pretty much in demand. Servant rooms, of course. We also have a ultra luxury clubhouse with 35,000 square feet area with all modern lifestyle amenities. And the best part is all amenities are ready. More than 110 families are comfortably living here at Masio and enjoying. So I think these are the USPs.
Okay. Ankit, coming to you, who is the target audience? What is the age group of the target audience in Delhi NCR? These are the potential buyers as well. So what is their average age group like?
So, the core target audience is the purely end user as per the current situation, and the end user who are want to upgrade their lifestyle. And here, lifestyle means the security, amenities, clubhouse, complete lifestyle. They are not buying only home; they are buying a complete lifestyle here. So the maximum age group is 30 to 40 years, the age group of maximum buyers who are working with the corporates or MNCs in various part of Gurgaon, like Cyber City, Udyog Vihar, Sona Road. So they are actually the main buyers.
Thank you. Now, before we head to pick up the audience questions, I'd like Team Anantraj to walk us through Maceo, the project presentation.
Deepak, you have that presentation with you, or should I run the presentation?
Yeah, please run. Sneha must be having
No,
it.
it's already there. Okay. Just so, as I've already said, Anantraj Group, it's a 50 years old company listed with BSE, NSE, delivered more than 20 marquee projects in Delhi NCR, 20 million square feet already delivered. Okay. Maceo is, these are some of our properties, Tech Park Manesar, Moments Mall, Central Delhi, Kirti Nagar. Sneha, can we move on to next slide? So now Maceo, in 16 acres, we have two phases. First phase is Maceo, second phase is Maceo Waterfront, which is our 3 bedrooms towers. In totality, Maceo is 15.575 acres. And as you can see, this is phase 3, which is coming up. This is phase 2. This is phase 1. This phase is all 3 bedroom towers, and we call it Maceo Waterfront. These are the actual images. So you can see everything is ready. People are already living here. More than 110, 20 families are enjoying here at Maceo. We have 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom options along with penthouses. This is the site plan to give you the holistic view of the entire group housing. This is phase 1, where we have more of sport related amenities. As you can see, we have a skating rink here, we have a lawn tennis court, we have a mini soccer field, we have a cricket pitch, then we have a yoga and meditation zone, reflexology area. So much for kids here in phase 1. Then we come to phase 2, which is Maceo Waterfront, which is a resort lifestyle. Here we come up with this grand water body of all towers, A, B, C, D, E, F, all these 3 bedroom towers, they all face this waterscape and landscape area. So each and every apartment is either water facing or green facing. Then this is phase 3, which is connected with the club. These 3 towers are 4 bedroom towers. Next slide, Sneha. This is the view of, next slide, Sneha. So this is the view of our clubhouse. We have a rooftop swimming pool, a pool for adults and a pool for kids as well. Then we have a gymnasium, we have yoga and dance room, we have a banquet here, we have restaurant, bar, we have squash court, snooker area. So it's like an ultra luxury modern clubhouse with all lifestyle amenities. Next, Sneha, next slide, please. This is an actual image of phase 1, where you can see all amenities I was talking about, like a mini soccer field, a waterscape in the mid, a fountain, basketball court, a lawn tennis court. Everything is there. So it's like just buy and you can immediately move in. Sneha, I think we are over with the overview of Masio.
Thank you. It's time to pick up a few questions that we have received from the audience now. Mr. Mukul Rastogi is asking us, I'm interested in the penthouse, but there might be limited inventory here. Please tell me the
Right.
price and floor plan. Mr. Vikas.
Yeah. So, Mr. Mukul, we have only 41 penthouses out of our entire inventory. So these are exclusive units, limited units. These are our best offerings. Starts from 3,200 square feet and goes up to 5,000 square feet. Price range starts from 1.6 CR and it goes up to 2.5 CR. So it's like a villa on the top of every tower. So I would like to welcome you over site along with the PropTiger team to give you a personal preview of our penthouses.
Thank you. Yes, Shashi Bhushan asking us, does this property have a clubhouse? What are the features and any additional charges for these? Mr. Vikas.
Yeah, so as I've already told, we have an ultra luxury clubhouse of more than 35,000 square feet with a rooftop pool, with all modern lifestyle amenities, gym, yoga, dance room, squash court, indoor play area for kids, restaurant, cafe. In fact, we have a co-working area also. These days, everybody understand importance of a working space inside the project. So there are no additional charges of these amenities. It's all including in the common area maintenance. So as of now, we are not charging anything.
All right. Tarun, there's a question coming in from Vikas Upadhyay, who's asking, what is the maintenance charges of this property? He's referring to a 3 BHK.
Sneha, the maintenance charges is ₹2.30 the per square feet charges.
Okay.
The maintenance charges.
Deepak, there's a question that's coming in from Aranya Gujral, who's asking, I'm an NRI and willing to invest in a 3 and 4 BHK unit, but I want to inquire whether there'll be any concession if we go in for group booking.
Well, Mr. Gujral, thank you so much for joining this webinar. You are an NRI, so we've got a lot of NRI audience, who have joined in with us here. So you're most welcome. Please come over, over a digital call or a personal meet, with our team and representative. We'll accompany you along to the Masio team, and don't worry, we'll negotiate the very best deal for you, and we'll ensure you'll get the desired deal, and you can have your chunk of property coming to you.
Thank you. Vikas, here's a question from Viplav Mishra, who's asking, is this project kid friendly? What are the avenues for kids and seniors? My family comprises of aged parents and a child under 6 years of age.
Okay, nice question, Mr. Viplav. In fact, I would love to answer this, because at Masio, we cater to every age group, from a child to the most senior member of the family. We have a dedicated toddler zone here. We have kids areas at Masio. We have a mini soccer area, cricket pitch. So for kids, we have many amenities. There is a skating ring. In fact, there is a rock climbing wall with sand pit, which is like one of the best features for kids. There's a kids pool in club. For mid-age group, we have a basketball court, tennis courts, we have squash court. There is a jogging track inside the property. We have a billiards area. We have a big size swimming pool to cater the entire family. Gymnasium, yoga and meditation zones. We have a library. We have an open gym. So I feel from a kid to a senior member of the family, it's there. I mean, all amenities are there for everybody.
So there's something for everybody.
Yeah.
We move on to the next question from Binod Dubey. What is the per square feet value of property in Gurgaon 91? How has the price movement been? Deepak, would you help us address that?
Can you please repeat the question? I missed.
What is the per square feet value of property in Gurgaon 91? How
Okay.
has the price movement been? This is a question from Binod Dubey.
Okay, Vinodji, the price in sector 91 ranges somewhere around 5,000 rupees, and it goes up to 6,000, 6,200 rupees. So it varies from location of the particular unit, or location of the particular project. So it varies from 5,000, it goes up to 6,000, 6,200 rupees. So this is what the average cost is.
Shekhar Agarwal is asking us, has the developer received OC? What has been the track record of this developer firm? Vikas.
Hello, Shekharji. So yes, we have already received the OC occupation certificate for 12 towers out of 16, and other towers, 4 towers, we have already applied for occupation certificate. So I feel within couple of months, let's say 4 or 5 months, these 4 towers will also get the occupation certificate. Regarding the track record of developer, so Anant Raj Limited is not a new name in the market. We are there in the market from last 50 years, listed in BSE, NSE. We have delivered more than 20 projects. We have delivered more than 20 million square feet, and lot of properties are there in Delhi NCR, which you can see, which you can visit. So residential, commercial, IT, malls, hotels, hospitality, we have done everything, I think. So I think track record is something which we bang upon.
Thank you. Here's Shailesh Tiwari asking us, I'm a single professional interested in a 2 BHK unit. What are the lifestyle amenities suited for me? Tarun, would you help us address that?
We have all of the amenities in this group housing project, as already discussed with Mr. Sharma also, like jogging track and skating ring, basketball court, badminton court, mini soccer field. So these are amenities, open gym and gazebos, sit outs. So all of these amenities we are providing in this group housing property.
Thank you. I'll also request Mr. Shailesh to go back to the recording on our Facebook page where we have discussed all these features and amenities for prospective home buyers. Moving on to our next question from S. Agnihotri. Is there any problem related to water and power supply in this project? Tarun, please help us.
See, there is water supply in this project. We have a direct supply, which is connected with the overhead tanks. And another thing?
Yeah, please go on.
Okay, we have a water supply which is connected with the overhead tank.
He's also asking us about power supply.
Supply, we have also power supply. We have a dual supply. One is a direct line which is comes through the Haryana Electricity Board, and we have a power backup option also available.
Thank you. Vikas Baijal is asking us, which are the banks financing this project? I need help with home loan. Tarun?
See, we have most of the banks is panel with the MACIO, like SBI and ICICI, SDFC, L&T Finance, Bank of Baroda. All of the major banks of the government banks are in panel with this project.
Ankit, here's Ritesh Parashar asking us, what is in the immediate vicinity of this project? Is connectivity good? I'm a frequent flyer and need to travel often.
So as per the vicinity, it's all habitated. I mean, be it your commercial, school, hospital, everything is up and running. So it's not like underdeveloping or some infrastructure has pending. So it's already done, and it's having a dual connectivity. It's very close to NH8. NH8 is currently a lifeline of Gurgaon. So and another connectivity is Dwarka Expressway. So this property is hardly 30 minutes drive to airport.
Okay. How can PropTiger help me with shortlisting a suitable unit for me in this project? Can you also help me fetch a good deal? Deepak, would you address that concern that's coming in from Bijoy Sengupta?
Mr. Bijoy, I believe this is what we are professionals in, to provide you the best deal and to provide you the unit of your choice, the house of your choice. So yes, definitely, we will assist you in all best possible manners to ensure you will have your the property of your own choice. So you take out some time digitally or physically, and our team will assist you to the developer and will ensure that you're getting the best desire.
Thank you. Ankit, there's a question from SS Gupta. How is NCR as an investment destination? Does this project comply with RERA rules?
Sure, thank you. So, I mean, as per the market scenario, Delhi NCR is always an appreciable market. So here, always, the projects are coming for the investment or end use purpose. But if you see the corporates, it's a hub of 500 Fortune companies. So many of the MNCs corporates are coming here, and even if you see the last 10 years in Gurgaon, there is a tremendous demand from the big corporates and the MNCs. So simultaneously, the population of Gurgaon is increasing. So demand of real estate is increased. So definitely, it's a very good investment proposition here as Gurgaon. So and if you see the rental income as per the compare with the other part of NCR, Gurgaon is having a best ROI as per the rentals. And yes, project is RERA compliant. So as already mentioned that we already received the this OC certificate. That is the last certificate which we get from the government. So we are ready for the possession for this project. Thank you.
Thank you. Here's Mithilesh Saxena asking us, what is the furnishing that will come along with this project? Tarun.
In terms of the furnishing of the apartments, so right now we are providing it's a semi furnished project we are offering in Maceo, split AC in all bedrooms and modular kitchens and wardrobes.
Okay.
We are built in the apartment.
Here's Mr. Gaurav Singh asking us, when is the club expected to be operational? He's also asking us, are amenities common for people residing in all phases like phase 1, 2 and clubhouse?
So, yeah. So, Gauravji, club would be operational by October this year. Club is already under finishing. So,
Okay.
and the other amenities you were talking about, phase 1, phase 2. Every allottee at Maceo can use any of the amenities. There are no difference in this.
Okay.
All amenities are common.
What is the cost of 3 and 2 BHK units? Please tell us the size also. This is a question from Jatin Roy. Tarun, would you like to address that?
Can you repeat this question?
What is the cost of 2 and 3 BHK units and the size of the same?
In 2-bedroom, our pricing is 74 lakh rupees, which is the all-inclusive price, and 3-bedroom is a 93 lakh rupees. It's all-inclusive.
Okay. Could you also give us a detail of the sizes, please?
So we have a 2 variant in this 2-bedroom. One is a 1310, another one is a 1404.
Okay.
And in 3-bedroom, we have a 2 sizes. One is 1862 and another one is a 2300. So pricing is 1310 is a 74 lakh rupees. 1404 is it could be 78 lakhs, and 1862 price is 93 lakh rupees, and 2320 sizes pricing is 1.05 CR. This is the all-inclusive price.
Mr. Vineet Anand is asking us, Please tell me about the structural safety of this project since Gurgaon is earthquake prone. Deepak, would you answer that?
Mr. Vineet is asking, right?
Yes, Vineet Anand. Yes.
Okay, Vineet, well, I tell you one thing, as far as structural safety is concerned, so authority has got very, very strict norms, So without the structural safety design, construction will not even be allowed. So as far as construction, as structural safety is concerned, I agree, Gurgaon, comes is a earthquake prone zone, and you have to, you can be relaxed, hearing this, that your concern is being taken care of the authority on the first step itself. So if the design is not suitable, they will not even allow the beginning of the construction. And after every time, sometime, they have their audits going, so wherein they come and they check, whether the construction is happening as per the norms, as per the policies that has been opted and given by the authority or not. So it is very much under control, and it is very, very, you can say very, very safe.
Okay. Deepak, also help us understand. Here's Rajan Mehto asking us, how is the mood of the market right now? Is this a good time to purchase a property? My budget is ready, but I'm not very sure about investing right now.
See, Rajan, I tell you one thing, your concern is correct, that whether you should buy or you should not buy, okay? But you have to understand one thing, that already the market was running at the lowest of the prices. Already it was running. Forget about the COVID panic, forget about, all these pandemic, lockdown that has happened. So yes, some people are expecting that market might go down. Some people are expecting, so you might expect some prices to come down in luxury segment. Okay, in luxury segment means anything above 3 crores, 4 crores, 10 crores, 15 crores, in that segment. But right now we are talking about a mid segment. Mid segment is any property lies between 75 lakh rupees to 1.5 crore rupees comes in the mid segment. So this is something, which is this property is already running at a level, which are almost at the rock bottom level. If you look at the prices, if you compare the prices, so these prices are of 2015. Already it was running on a price of 2015. Okay, the rates which were in 2015, 16, they are the rates in 2020. 2015 they were in under construction stage. 2020 they are delivered. So already, because of demonetization, GST impact, various factors, the price as it is did not go up. So if you are expecting the price will come down, so boss, I am sorry, I don't think it is going to happen. Rather, developers are making the most of this opportunity because people have understood the value of buying their own home. Now, when they have understood the value of buying their own home, they will rush out into the market to buy the best suitable property for them. So in that case, if you see, there is not much of the inventory is also available. If you think that inventory is freely available, no, this is not the case. Very, very, very limited inventory is available with good developers. When the property is good, location is good, it is decently made, something like Anantraj, which is a very, very reliable old brand listed company in BSE, NSE, so do not. So my suggestion is, boss, do not expect too much of the price correction. What you can best do is you can sit with the developer across the table, negotiate the best you want to, crack the best of the deal. We are there to assist you on this, and take your property, stay in your own house. So we are there with you. But do not expect कि आपको कोई बुलाकर कहेगा जी प्राइस स्लैश हो गई है मार्केट में एकदम से प्राइस गिर गए हैं. ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है, फॉर श्योर ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है. Or prices are stable. Prices are stable. I'm not saying they will go up. They might go up in some cases where developer is having very less inventory left. He will sell it at his own choice. As far as I know, Anantraj, they had some 600 odd units, so they are left with I believe some 70 odd units at a max. So it's on their wish. So you can always come sit with the developer across the table, negotiate your best. We will assist you, and you can go ahead.
Deepak, I would like to add something here. Yeah. But still, I feel since post COVID, this is a buyer's market now, and for
Absolutely.
every buyer, this is the right time to buy. In fact, अगर मुझे भी खरीदना होएगा तो मैं भी आज ही खरीदूंगा because right now what deal I can get, वो मेरे को आज से 2 महीने 3 महीने बाद शायद नहीं मिलेगा।
नहीं मिलेगी ना, आई एग्री विकास।
आज की डेट में जस्ट कम ओवर, सिट अक्रॉस द टेबल। हो सकता है कोई अच्छे पेमेंट प्लान्स डिजाइन हो जाए,
बिल्कुल ठीक बात है।
पेमेंट प्लान्स डिजाइन हो जाए आपके लिए स्पेसिफिकली एज पर योर रिक्वायरमेंट, एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस। सो आई थिंक ये दिस इज द राइट टाइम फॉर अ
It is
बायर
the
टू
right
बाय।
thing, right? I agree. I agree. Even Vikas, I would like to add something. Even the home loan rates, the repo
Yeah.
rates are continuously getting revised. So you never know. Government might increase them after one quarter. It might increase. So this is the time you can block a deal for yourself and you can enjoy the benefits of staying in your own house. This is what I tell everyone. Do not
EMIs
expect.
reduce हो गई हैं almost 20%. So 15 to 20% EMIs कम हुए हैं.
True.
So
True.
it's like this is a win-win situation.
This is a win-win situation. Yes.
Thank you.
Agar if one sit and wait that price will get corrected. See, we have to understand. Very soon we'll have festival season coming in. Navratras are very auspicious, so a lot of buying will happen. So automatically the prices will go up. For sure they'll go up.
True.
Yes, Neha, over to you.
We have a question from Naveen Jain, who's asking, what is the scope of capital appreciation in this project? I'll leave that open-ended. Anyone?
Because I that it is your baby, I would give it to you.
जैसा मैंने अभी दीपक के साथ हमने डिस्कस भी किया कि ये राइट टाइम है किसी भी बायर के लिए परचेज करने के लिए, बिकॉज काफी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है पेमेंट प्लान्स में, प्राइस को लेके भी थोड़ा बहुत नेगोशिएशन ओवर द टेबल होता ही है. सो आई थिंक कैपिटल एप्रिसिएशन तो होगा ही होगा, बिकॉज ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम दिस एरिया विल ग्रो, दिस एरिया विल डेवलप. अभी 110 फैमिलीज रहती हैं. वंस वी हैव more than 200-300 families, demand will be up. So जैसे जैसे डिमांड बढ़ेगी उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स आज का जो प्राइस है उससे ज्यादा प्राइस में ही आज से 3-4-6 महीने बाद अपार्टमेंट सेल होंगे. सो आई थिंक यस देयर इज एन स्कोप ऑफ कैपिटल एप्रिसिएशन. आप अच्छी डेवलपर का प्रॉपर्टी खरीदो, आप अच्छा यूनिट खरीदो, आपको जरूर एप्रिसिएशन मिलेगा. आज की डेट में जो डील मिल रही है वो ऑलरेडी अंडररेटेड डील है, अंडररेटेड प्राइस पे मिल रहा है, विच इज ऑलरेडी लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 20-25% करेक्टेड है.
ट्रू, आई एग्री.
तो ये 20-25% आने वाले 1-1.5 साल में वापस जाएंगे ही जाएंगे ऊपर.
Yes, Nishant Joshi wanting to connect with us is asking, hi, can I get the details of team member whom we can connect with for going forward? Mr. Deepak, can you help him understand the process? If he's interested in this project, how can he get in touch with us or the developer?
So Nishant, just immediately after this webinar, one of our teammate will connect with you and will understand your requirement and, will provide you all necessary details and, if all goes well, we'll connect you with the Anantraj team as well immediately.
Thank you, panelists. Now, that was the last question we could pick up. We have come to the close of this webinar. We'll wind it up for the lack of time with a closing statement from all our panelists, starting with you, Vikas.
Okay, so first of all, I'll thank you, all the panelists, all the audience to join. And मेरा सारे ऑडियंस को यही रिक्वेस्ट है, जिन लोगों ने क्वेश्चंस किए उनसे यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि ये राइट टाइम है प्रॉपर्टी परचेज करने के लिए. आप जल्दी से जल्दी अपना डिसीजन लीजिए, बाय अ प्रॉपर्टी, गेट द बेस्ट डील. इससे अच्छा टाइम प्रॉपर्टी परचेज करने के लिए, एक बेस्ट डील को लेने के लिए नहीं आएगा दोबारा.
Thank you. Tarun.
Just 1 second. I have very interesting question popped up on my screen by Sumit Sen. Because I would like you to answer this. What is the prospect of Sector 91? Who are the other marquee developers have purchased land parcels there?
Okay, so Sumit ji, Sector 91, सबसे पहले मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूँगा कि Sector 91 is the low density sector of New Gurgaon. केवल 5,000 एकर्स में केवल 164 एकर्स में केवल 5,000 अपार्टमेंट्स हैं. सो यू कैन इमेजिन हाउ लो डेंसिटी इट इज. उसके बाद मैसियो इज अगेन लो डेंसिटी. 16 एकड़ में सिर्फ 16 टावर्स है, दैट टू मिड राइज, 10-12 फ्लोर्स की बिल्डिंग्स है. आसपास में अगर आप देखोगे तो सारे के सारे वेरी गुड नेबरहुड, डीएलएफ है, बेस्टेक है। सो जहाँ पे नेबरहुड अच्छा होता है वो वाला एरिया हमेशा ग्रो करता है। इट्स नॉट विद अनंतराज ओनली, सारे डेवलपर्स वहाँ पे अच्छा काम किया हुआ है, अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, अच्छा नेबरहुड है। आसपास में कोई बहुत हाई राइज डेवलपमेंट भी नहीं है। सो बहुत ही आने वाले टाइम में ये लोकेशन स्पेसिफिकली अप्रिशिएट हुएगी।
Thank you. Tarun, your closing remarks, please.
Okay, thank you to all of the listeners who's listening this PropTiger webinar. And Mr. Deepak and Mr. Vikas Sharma and Ankit will also suggest that this is the right time to buy the property, because the rates are already corrected. The correction has already been done in the mid-size segment, and the bank rates are already reduced day by day. So this is a good time to buy the property, and don't waste the time, and just initiate to buying the property as soon as.
Thank you. Mr. Deepak, your closing remarks, please.
I would like to thank all the audience who are attending this, who are listening to me, who are watching me right now. And especially on today is a very important day. It is Father's Day today. So happy Father's Day to all the dads watching this show right now. I would, I can only tell you, property is the best gift you can give to your child. There's nothing better than property that you can ever give to your child. This is one thing, which will always appreciate. Ages after ages, they will remember that my dad has bought this for me and gave this to me as a gift. So today, immediately, you cannot buy this. You might not buy this today for sure, but you can always buy an idea that I have to buy a property. It is very, very, very important, my friend. And, this is something, this is one gift, a person will cherish, your child will cherish throughout the life. So decide today, and buy as soon as you can. This is what my closing remark would be.
Thank you, Deepak. Very rightly said. Ankit, your closing remarks, please.
Thank you all for joining us. Hope this session is informative to all. So I mean, yes, we are very ready for the virtual calls, or the site visits are happening. End users are coming out finally, and they are choosing the units. So please all post your queries to our website and our social media platform, so our RM get in touch with you for the better assistance. Thank you.
Thank you, panelists, for being with us today and answering these queries. Thank you, viewers, for joining us on Project Dive.
Thank you,
Talk
Sneha.
even on a Sunday. We hope to have answered some of your queries today. Should you have any more questions on Anantraj Mesio, our representatives will get back to you. You could also use our social media handles to drop in your questions. If you happen to miss any bit of this webinar, you could find a recording of it on our Facebook page. Till yet another episode of Project Talk, stay connected, stay happy and healthy. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Sneha. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Yeah.